In this video, I will show you how to change Windows 11 wallpaper. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now to do this, all you need to do is right click onto a blank space of your desktop. What that's going to do is bring up a menu like this, and from here you want to come and click where it says personalise. What that's going to do is open up a window like this where you can go ahead and change your Windows 11 wallpaper. So all you need to do from this screen is click here where it says background, and from here you can actually change the background image. You can also change your color, and you can also change your wallpaper to be a slideshow of different images. Now what you can do is use any of the default images from Windows just by simply clicking onto the image, and as you can see that's going to instantly change your wallpaper. Now if you want as well, you can also choose your own photo. Maybe you've got a image that you downloaded from the internet, or maybe there's just a photo on your PC that you want to use. So what you can do is click here where it says choose a photo, click the browse photos button. That's going to open up your computer's file explorer, and from here you can find a photo that you've downloaded that you want to use. For example, say I wanted to use this beach background wallpaper. What I would do is double click to select it, and as you can see that's going to go ahead and change my wallpaper to the photo I selected. So that is how to change Windows 11 wallpaper. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.